Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by locking down what you want to say and how it should sound. This saves time later. Record short reference lines with your mic in a quiet room. Aim for clean 16-bit or 24-bit WAV. Once done, upload examples and the script to the AI voice platform you chose, and select a voice preset close to your target. Make sure to tag sections with emotion or pacing notes, because these annotations guide the AI and reduce revision cycles. You now refine cadence and expression. Use SSML or the editor to add pauses, emphasis, pitch shifts, and speed changes. These small adjustments make a synthetic voice believable. Export 2-3 audition renders and a /B them against your references while listening on neutral headphones. Once you choose the best take, process it with light EQ and compression. This makes levels consistent and prepares the file for mastering. Make sure to document settings so you can replicate the sound across episodes. You finish by mastering output. Normalize to target LUFS, add a limiter, and export in the delivery format required by your platform. Then verify timing against visuals or subtitles and embed metadata so files are discoverable. If you hear glitches, intelligibility issues, or robotic inflections, the key troubleshooting step is to re-record cleaner reference lines and tweak model temperature or prosody controls. Lower temperature for stability, higher for expressiveness. Finally, run one last listen on several devices to confirm consistency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.